How to change language on Microsoft Word. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, the first step you need to do is to go to the search and search for Word. Then open Word. Then once Word has opened, you are going to click on blank document. Then you can write something here. So let's say I want to change these words into another language. What you'll need to do is to go to the file, then scroll down. Then on this side you are going to see more, then click on options. Then it will land you here. So you are going to see language. Then you will come here and add a language. So you can select the language which you want to change to. So let's say if I want to change to English United Kingdom, I will select that, then install, then OK. So as you can see, downloading Microsoft 365 and Office updates, meaning that they are downloading the language which you have selected. So you are going to give it a little bit of time for it to finish. And then the language will be added here on this part. So as you can see, guys, the update has been finished. And now you can see here we have English United Kingdom, the one which we had selected. And also we have English United States. So you can change to English United Kingdom, preferred. Then click on OK. Come down here. So once you've done that, you are going to see English United States here. You need to click on it. Then here is where you can now change to United Kingdom. Then click OK. So I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.